Chain 11 stitches to begin. Single crochet in the third chain from the hook. Half double crochet in the next chain. And make 2 double crochets in the next chain. Treble crochet in the next chain. And then make 2 treble crochets in the next chain. Treble crochet in the next chain. Double crochet in the next chain. And then half double crochet in the next chain. Now you're going to chain 5 stitches. And then slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and each of the next 3 chains. Slip stitch in the beginning stitch, and then half double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Treble crochet in the next stitch. And then make 2 treble crochet in the following stitch. Make a treble crochet in the next stitch. Make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the following stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. And then finally make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn and thread it through the loop. Weave in the ends and you're done.